Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the Coarse Fabric in Windrose. First of all, go to the building panel, crafting and utilities, and you'll need to have the workbench, which requires 5 wood to craft. Wood can be obtained from mining trees or gathering some dead wood from the ground. If you have it built, open it, and here you'll see the Coarse Fabric recipe, on which you'll need plant fiber. Plant fiber can be gathered from mining plants with your hands, or an axe, or a saber, just like this. Once you gathered enough plant fibers, go to the workbench, select the Coarse Fabric, and with the spacebar, or by making a random amount, or the amount that you need, you can go ahead and craft it. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.